What is love? Love is like a craft. C-R-A-F-T. C is caring. Hindi lang sa una lang, caring. Dapat now and habang buhay. Okay? Pangalawa, R, respect. So, kailangan mo i-respect ang tao na mahal mo. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin ng respect? Kung anong decision mo, dapat decision ninyong dalawa. Okay? A, acceptance. Kung anong pagkakamali mo, dapat may accept. Both of you. Okay? Forgiveness. So, kailangan tayo mag-forget and forgive. So, kailangan tayo magpatawad. Hindi naman tayo perfect. Okay? At saka T, trust. So, ang trust, dapat mo 100%. Hindi yung trust na safe. Yung trust na binibili na pharmacy.